to today's video. So today we're going to be doing a kit lineup. My bad about not doing one for February and really not doing any videos in February. It was just a time to be had. So I will link the short that I created of the kits that I was going to be using for the month of February. If you haven't checked that out, I will link that. But without further ado, let's jump right into it. All right, first up is this kit from Sadie Stickers called C'est la vie. This is a very, very old format from Sadie Stickers. And, you know, I am on the mission of hashtag use your stash. But on top of that, I don't want some of these older kits that I have to now become unusable because it ain't working no more. It's not sticking well no more. So I'm going to use it. And for some things that will be going on for me in this first full week of March, this is kind of the mindset that I am going to have, which it is what it is, okay? Such is life. So I'm going to show you guys what the kit looks like up close and personal. Oh, if I didn't say, this is for the week of March 6th to 12th. So here is the kit. I love the like colors, the lightness of it. It gives me refreshing and I'm just in the mood for that. So I think this will be perfect because this is kind of the mindset that I'm already having at this point. So here are the non-full boxes. Her old school kits used to have flags here at the top page. So in case you have any and you know you never knew, those are there. Here is the second page, which has no foil. So you have some boxes, some flags, your checklists, bill dues, habit trackers. Didn't I just say there's no foil? All right, here we have 3 sets of headers, her checklist, some more boxes. You got your layering items and some more flags and labels. Then here you have your days of the week, which I love that like floral design in there. You have some headers on the side, some more boxes, some more flags, and then that is the bottom washi. I don't know if it's really picking up there you go, the foil in there. So that is it. And then this is a doll. I cannot remember what the name of that collection was. I think it was like Surrender, and it was another one. I can't remember what it was called, but I believe this is from that particular collection. And I just thought her green went really well with the kit. And like I said, for things that should be going on this week, this is what I'm really leaning into right now. I want you guys to just say a prayer for the world. Say a prayer for yourself, for your family, for your loved ones. Love on one another. And let's move on before I get emotional. So this is for the first week of March. All right. So this is for the week that starts March 13th to 19th, the second full week of March. And I'm going to be using this kit from the Giving Girl. I actually don't know what it's called, but this was a Happy Meal kit sent to me from my girl Planners and Tacos, Shanice. Hey girl, hey. So ever since I got this kit, I was like, I'm either going to use it in October or March. I don't know why, but those are like the 2 months that I just wanted to use this kit. So here we are in March, and then we're going to use it. So let me show you the kit, everything that she sent me. So these are the non-full boxes. This is also silver. If I didn't mention, the previous kit was also in silver. So here is the non-full boxes here. You have your days of the week, some headers, some full color boxes, and then your bottom washi. She gave me actually 2 pages of the boxes, which is awesome. So I would not need to run out if that was ever the case for me. And then here is like the fun box. So you have her bowstrung stuff. You got your layering, your icons, your checklists, some headers more, as well as a habit tracker and sidebar boxes. So those are the main parts of the kit that she sent me. And then she sent me this. I'm assuming that this is maybe called Midnight, because I mean the colors match perfectly, and that these are like the same except that's just gold and that's silver. So maybe it is called Midnight. But here are some florals that she sent, and then she also actually sent me this dowel, which is from Also Paper. This is the Libra dowel, and it definitely like matches. But what I also did do was pull out 2 other dowels from Gold Mining Coco to look at. So not really sure which way I'm leaning as far as what I'm going to use, but I figured let me go ahead, just pull them out. So I'll have them, and we'll decide once, you know, once you start letting the creativity flow and put stuff down, you kind of say, okay, this is the one that you should be using. So this is going to be for the second full week of March. All right, this is for the week of March 20th to 26th, which does include the first day of spring. Yay! So ever since I had gotten this kit, I believe this was in like a grab bag sort of situation from TaylorMade. I was like, I'm definitely using it. I mean, it just makes sense to use it. It's called Spring Metal. It says spring is in the air. Like, I mean, doesn't it make sense, right? And I love the colors. I love the bold popness. I just love it all. I think I'm going to actually pair this kit with gold to really like highlight some of the yellows in this kit to really make that zhuzh it up. So yeah, let me show you everything that I got. So this is a matte paper. I know she has changed her format, definitely. Ma'am, what are you doing? Spade entered the chat. So here is the 8 full boxes. All right, ma'am, I'm filming. You gotta relax. Here is the days of the week. You got like some checklists here, habit trackers. You have a box page, as well as another box page. You have a bunch of like little washi strips. So this would be great to even use this for something else, like maybe like the dashboard or something like that. I may do that. I don't know, because I have a lot. You have a lot of headers. You got an additional box. You got some more boxes, full box, more boxes, flags, and more washi, along with these little asterisks and some scripts. And I got a couple of pieces of floral, and then I actually have a even thicker washi to use as well. So it's plenty. And due to all of the color, I pulled her. Her shirt says she can, she will. And I thought this would be a good play on Women's International History Month. You know, women, I think women's, what is it called? Women's International Day or something like that. I can't remember what exactly it's called. I'll put it on the screen, but I believe that's typically March 8th, but I didn't really pull. I probably will document it, but you know, just to say, pay homage to, you know, our history month, I wanted to pull this in, as well as she has a lot more muted colors in comparison to the kit, so I thought this would be really good to ground it. So this is going to be for that third full week of March. This is going to be for the week of March 27th to April 2nd. I am not a subscriber to Scribble Prints Co. Mystery Kit, but when I saw this, I wanted to have it. So I went into the buy sell trade group and I said, hey, anybody got it? I'll take it with or without foil. Somebody had it with foil and I got sis. So let me show you the kit, because I mean, spring was the previous week. I definitely knew I wanted to use that kit beforehand, the previous kit. So I said, well, this will be great. It's going into April because we definitely going to be doing some cleaning around here. Okay, so these are the 8 full boxes. In case you don't know, Scribble Prints Co. is glossy. So this is going to be fun because I'm going to try to do all the things. So you have your deco pieces, your like checklist, some flags, a weekend banner, your extra full boxes. I'm going to beat you up. Spade, where are you at? She in stuff. You have your headers, your movie marquees, your habit tracker, some of the like little layering shapes, some of these like little small boxes, some of the rounded boxes here. Then you have like your little things page, I'm gonna say. And you have your squared off boxes and labels. This one is the same, just the pattern. Here you have your bottom washi. I love this box, so pretty. I really think what really drew me to this was the like lavenders. It's too many noises happening and I don't appreciate it. Okay. And then here you have the additional colorway. You have your more check boxes, and then you got a couple of doodles, which is cool. So I'm gonna try to definitely pull these into the spread. Here you have your full, like your tall box with the fashion girl, some additional boxes here. Love all of this. So this, since this has this tall box, I'm going to use this tall box in the sidebar versus a doll. So that is the kit. And then this came with this, like, I think it's just regular hollow foil. So these are headers here. You have 6 full boxes here, and you got 2 pages of that. Then you have, I believe, 2 boxes of the like underlays and just like a confetti pattern print. You have some scripts. You have these like smaller icons here. And then you have your bottom washi. You have these like bow headers. These are like single cut bows. And then you got some numbers, which is great. Everything is included. So, yep, that is going to be for the final week of March. All right, and that is the kit lineup. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know. I know a lot of people, well, I won't say a lot of people because I really don't know, but if you happen to be using that Scribble Prints Co kit this month, let me know so I can make sure I go check out your spread as well, especially if you film. Whether if you film or you don't, if you post on Instagram, just let me know what your handle is and I'll go check out your page. But I thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, checking out this video. If you liked it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, turn on your bell notifications and leave me a comment down below on what you think about my kits that I have set up for the month of March. And I will chat with you guys later. Bye.